it's a 1970 Nova. I've got several different parts on it. Bumpers 69, but that's all I had at the time. I've had this car since I'm 17. I'm 48 now, and it's always pretty much been just a toy, just something to play with. I've always tried to keep it running and driving where I can come to shows, just hang out with people. It's a good environment. I haven't done any restoration on it, just keep it running. Been to this show several times with my family, my father, my mother, brother, all hung out here, had a good time. So it's had a lot of good memories in it. It was expensive, storing it places or parking it, you know, somewhere where I couldn't get to it or just had to park it somewhere, but I wouldn't have let it go, you know. I've sold parts off of it, but I never sold the car just to keep it around. So I just think the looks and the thumbs up from people, I mean, it doesn't look real great, but everybody likes it no matter what. It's an old muscle car.